So today, this is Erica with the Disabled Mom's Life. I bought this, and I'll be getting this every month. So it's called the Flavor of the Month Kit. So let's check what's inside of it. So, first thing is a stamp. Look how cute the stamp is. Tis the season for pumpkin everything. From Neat and Tangle. And then we got some stickers. Love those. Fall leaves. And some Nouveau. What is this? Crystal drops. I've never used these before. And then there's 4 different cards. You can make 4 different cards. So some orange cardstock, brown, dark blue, purple, and then what is it? 3 sheets of white cardstock. Yeah. But 4 sheets. There's that. So let's open up this first package. Should be interesting to see what I make with it. And then I'll give you like any instructions, nothing. So it's all gonna be on what you like. How you want to do it, how you want to make the card. So, some nice ribbon, orange and white. Another stamp, little kitty cat, spiderweb, eek, pumpkin, happy meow, Halloween. Some of these. Oh, these are the not too spooky. All those colors. And then here's envelope. So here's the card start. Oh, and some googly eyes. So these are double sided. So this is like cool. First time I've boarded from here. I like this one. Right. So that would be card A. So each different card they have different levels. I'll post everything down below. I'm not an affiliate with them. First, I ordered this myself because I wanted to see how it was. So here's B. So each one is different. I got the banana split level, which comes with everything. Okay. Some more sparklies, and this one's fall is in the air. Puts my light. There we go. Cute. Caught pumpkin spice. You're the pumpkin spice in my latte. Oh, look at those. Oh, that's cute. Some Emperor. This is family card. Some more stickers. Are these stickers? Or no, these are I forget what you call them. You rub them on. You got Harvest. Here's a leaf. Another envelope. And then let's check out this one. Ooh, leaves. This is cool. Oh, look at the little fox that's falling in the beer. This is, I like this. That's that one. So what is that? Okay, that's 6 different patterns for that one. So let's go C. And I'm just going to mix them all up. I'm not really don't really care. I'm just gonna do it my way. Okay. See, we got sparkly gems, yellow, some more flea market with all those colors. Another stamp says that every year I fall for autumn leaves, apple cider, hate race, pumpkin spice, and you. Oh, these are cute. Paper clips. Cards. You don't have to make cards with these. You can make anything you want. The suitcases. Just smile just because, thank you. Happy camper. So there's that one. And then the very last one. Yeah, I have to open this up. Should have just opened it up before. Okay. Envelope. More sparklies. This one's Hello Fall. This one has a pumpkin spice latte. Got pumpkin. Some more stickers. Pumpkin leaves. So, oh yeah, and here's the two. I thought they're leaf brads. A couple leaf brads. Oh, there's three. Look at these tiny, tiny, tiny dies. So tiny. So we got this one. That one. That one. All them pumpkin leaves give thanks. All of them punching in leaves and these. That one. I like this one. And then that one. So that's flavor of the month. And that was banana split. So you got all this. So that's a lot. Plus the cardstock. I think it's pretty good. So I ordered for 3 months. So I'm paying $35 a month. And it's normally $40 for banana split if you do month by month. Again, I'll post everything down below. Thanks.